This 2024 K-Z Durango Half-Ton D256RKT is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rapid City, South Dakota 57702 and is offered for sale by Dakota RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 33 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleep 6, air conditioning, DVD player, refrigerator, Slideout, auxiliary battery, Skylight, smoke detector, TV, Awning, LP detector, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 K-Z Durango Half-Ton D256RKT is 9,650 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.